Hello and welcome to a tutorial for Starfall.com. You'll notice when you reach Starfall.com, it is a website designed for kids. It is designed mostly for preschool and kindergarten age kids, although there are some resources available for first and second graders, as you can see in the green box on the right-hand side of the screen. All the resources on this website are designed for English language arts and math use. One example of games that is available on the children's portion of the website is under the purple ABC tabs on the left-hand side of the screen. When you click on the tab, you'll want to make sure that you have Adobe Flash Player enabled on your computer in order to open these. And it will pull up a page with ABC blocks for each letter of the alphabet. When you click on those blocks, for example, if you clicked on letter A, it will pull up an interactive video for the kids to teach them about the letter A. To go back, you would click on the green back arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now, I want to draw your attention to the Starfall Parent-Teacher Center tab in the upper left-hand corner of the screen in blue. When you click on that tab, especially the first couple times that you click on it, you will be prompted to answer a math question. Don't worry, it's always an easy addition problem, and that's just to make sure that the kids know that this is the portion of the website for teachers and there's not going to be anything fun on this portion of the website for them. Now, today I will be talking mostly about the free resources that this website has available. You can purchase a curriculum for preschool and kindergarten age, the preschool and kindergarten age group, although the free resources that they have available are pretty great. The first thing I want to draw your attention to is under the Resources tab in red in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. The first thing I want to draw your attention to under this tab is the Worksheet Generators. When you click on the Worksheet Generators, it will pull up these worksheet examples. They have English Language Arts, and here's the math ones. Now, the cool thing about these is that you can edit them. So, for example, when I click on the Counting Objects worksheet, it pulls up this worksheet. Say I want to change the picture. If I want these basketballs to be flowers, I click on the box that I want to edit, and it will highlight it in yellow. Then I go to the left side of the screen and select the picture that I want. So I'm choosing a flower, and it changes it to a flower. You can also change what you want it to count up to. So for example, if I wanted to count up to 20, I would select count up to 20. When you change the count, it will delete the worksheet unless you save it. You choose to save it. If you choose to save it, you will go to the right-hand side of the screen and either hit save, which would save it to your computer, or you can hit print and go ahead and send it right to your printer if you're ready. Now click the top box on the blue tab with the X that says exit, and that will take you back to where you originally reach the resources. Another thing under the resource tab that I want to draw your attention to is the projectable books and posters. These are great if you have a smartboard in your classroom or if you just have a projector that you can put them on. So one example of these books is the ABC Rhymes book, and it pulls up this book, and you use the arrows on either side of the screen in purple to move back and forth, and it goes through the alphabet. And to get back, you just click the back arrow at the top of the screen. The next thing I want to draw your attention to on the Parent-Teacher Center portion of the website is under the Alignment tab. Like I mentioned before, there is a curriculum that you can purchase from the website for the preschool and kindergarten age groups. So what the Alignment tab does, it is aligns the curriculum, which you can see under the Curricula tab, with the resources that it has available on the website. So when I click on kindergarten, for example, it will pull up this page that has access to PDFs. So what you do is select the state you're in, and it will pull up this PDF that says Teacher's Guide, and it has the page aligned with the resources from the website. Again, this would be most helpful if you do choose to purchase a curriculum from the website. That being said, you can use the first and second grade alignment tab without having a curriculum. That is because they don't have a first and second grade curriculum available. So when you click on the first grade tab, for example, it pulls up the Common Core state standards. So for example, if I clicked on poetry, it would pull up this tab, which has some books. So for example, if I clicked on I Could Touch the Sky,
If I could touch the sky,
it would pull up that interactive book for the kids to read, and you know that all of these would connect with poetry. Another cool thing under this alignment tab, if you click on the green arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, it will pull up these resources. Now, you can only access the resources in color unless, of course, you choose to purchase a membership from the website. But again, these free resources are pretty great. So, for example, if you were talking about fiction and nonfiction, you could click on this picture on the right-hand side of the screen, and it will pull up some books that either go with fiction or nonfiction. And again, to go back, you click on this green arrow in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Now, there's one last thing that I want to draw your attention to on the Parent-Teacher Center portion of the website. On the top of the screen, when you click Information in yellow, it can pull up a tab that says For Teachers. When you click on this, it provides more information about the curriculum and a paid membership that you can get on the website. And again, it does talk about the free resources that we use today that are pretty good. If you wish to get back to the student portion of the website, you will go to the upper left-hand corner and click on the dark green box that says starfall.com, and that will take you back to where we started. If you did end up purchasing a membership from the website, you would go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Log In when you came to the website in the future, or if you wanted more information about how to join, you would again go to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click How to Join, and that would take you to more payment information. I hope this tutorial was helpful about learning the Parent-Teacher Center portion of the website for starfall.com. Thank you.